morning, everybody. Sorry for my tardiness. As some of y'all may know, I'm dog sitting. As some of y'all may know. Maximo, leave that alone. I'm dog sitting. A little dog by the name of Maximo. Maximo, come here. You want to say, Maximo, did you piss on my rug? Did you piss on my rug, Maximo? Yes, you did. Yes, you pissed on my rug. Jesus, give me strength. Y'all hold on for a minute, man. Maximo done pissed on my rug. He marking his territory. And he done came and marked my freaking rug. Y'all hold on for a second. Jesus, give me strength. Jesus, give me strength. Maximo, we gonna fight. We gonna fight. I promise you we gonna fight. This is not a snack. Move out of the way. It's not a snack. It's a Clorox wipe. Because you pissing on my rug. Me and you, we cool, Maximo. Don't turn this into a move out of the way. Don't turn this into something else now. Stacking my high pee. Come on, you going outside. Come on, you going outside. Let's go. Come on. Come here. Alexa, turn the room lamp on. All right, y'all. I'm back. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I am back. And for those that stuck around, and for those that stuck around, I'd like to welcome y'all to another overnight price action review. And before we get into it, I'd like to say that the market is open. The market is open. The market is open. If you're going to trade, please trade safe. If you're not going to trade, please take a copious amounts of notes so you can study and go back and apply. Well, you know what I'm saying, man. Maximo got me flustered right now. I'm pissed on my carpet. It got me hot. Set this to 15 minutes and we gonna get into it. Oh, let me see who in the chat, man. I'm sorry, y'all. I ain't even look to see who in the chat. What's up, Deborah? What's going on here to learn and share? What's up to Black Al Davis? What's up, Tish? Yes, Lil Hawk, the birds are chirping. I was just outside with taking Maximo outside and the birds were chirping. Hopefully it don't start raining because I got him outside right now. What's up, Kim? What's going on, Seawalk? What's going on, Medi? What's up, Randa Green? Randa Green. All right, man. Let's go ahead and get into it with the overnight price action review. Let's see, 7:30. Look at that. 7:30 and midnight, the exact same prices. The 7:30 open and the midnight open are the exact same price for the ES. Okay. Over here. I'm sorry, y'all. We had a lot of upside throughout the night. See how much we're up right now on the day. This daily candle, we're up 0.15%. Say we're up 8 or 9 points right now. Throughout the night, we got up as high as from Friday's close. Oh, we got up 35.5 points and came up and touched that daily SIBI right there. Came up and touched the daily SIBI. And now we're bouncing off of it. Let's see what daily SIBI was touched on the 4 hour, came up and touched it. Oh, that's a 4 hour SIBI right there too. All right. There's a 4 hour SIBI right there too. Came up and touched that 4 hour SIBI. Let's see if that's enough to drive price back down to the lows, or does price want to dig deeper into that? I would like a deeper dig. I would like a retracement and then dig deeper into this daily civvy right here. That's just a little shallow poke. I don't want that shallow poke. Dig deeper into that civvy, that daily civvy, and then, you know, and then go back down if you want to go down there. That's what I would like to see. That's what I would like to see. Let's see what the week brings to us as far as news. As far as news, we got consumer confidence tomorrow. As read for the news, got some jolts that's dealing with employment information. Right, we got some more employment information with ADP reports on Wednesday. We got some employee information on Wednesday. We got a FOMC announcement. So that's big news, right? That's big news. Wednesday is FOMC. This is big news here, right? That's big news. FOMC on Wednesday. That's in the afternoon, of course. 2 p.m. is the announcement, and 2:30 is the conference. You know, whenever they do FOMC, it's the same. Got the announcement, then you got the conference when he answers questions. ISM manufacturing, along with the jobless claims every week at 8:30 on Thursday. ISM manufacturing index at 10 on Thursday. And then Friday, we got non-farm payroll. They call it employment status. I don't know why, but it's non-farm payroll. So they call it employment. I said status, but employment situations. So we got non-farm payroll on Friday. All right, so it's non-farm payroll week. You know, non-farm payroll week can be a little tricky to trade. It's, you know, it's a bunch of chop, and then on top of a lot of chop, a lot of times we got FOMC. So coming into FOMC is tricky to trade. Coming into a FOMC rate announcement, that's, you know, sometimes it create a lot of chop because don't nobody want to position very big in front of the rate announcement. Don't nobody, you know what I'm saying? So it can, you know, prove to be a tricky trading week. So be careful, be careful, be careful. Jack be number, Jack be quick. Sonia. What's up, Sonya? We were trying to tell you last night to go out of the Discord, Sonya, and come back in, because for some reason Discord was acting very weird last night, and nobody could hear. Only like 1 or 2 people could hear me. First, I couldn't get in, and then once I got in, only 1 or 2 people could hear me. Then people had to leave out and come back in for to be able to hear what I was saying. They could only hear the other people, and it was crazy. We was trying to tell you to go out and come back in, but I don't know. Anyway, good morning. I'm still kind of hot by Maximo pissing on my flow. I don't like that. He marking his territory in my studio. He outside barking now. I put him on the leash. And put him out on the back porch. Got him tied to the deck. I got him tied to the deck so he can't run off, because we got, you know, our backyard big, and like the chain link fence that's around there, one spot is like an opening next to a tree. It's an opening about this big. That's how the deer used to come in the yard, because it's an opening about that. It's about that big. Imagine a whole deer coming through something like that. They used to come through there. I don't know how they do it. And then other dogs be going through that little, it's in the back of the yard, but on the side of the yard, it's like, because we stay in a valley. Like, you know, we at the bottom of a valley and like where the water be running down and it be rolling, and right around the bottom of the fence over there on the side, it used to be logs there, but they done just, the logs done rotted away. So it's like a space up under the chain link fence where he can go under there. So that's why I got him tied to the deck, so he don't, because if he get away, I'm not looking for him. This is my wife's best friend dog. We dog sitting for the week. My Junior and Chris, they be having practice. Junior at practice right now. Junior and Chris be having practice during the week. She worked during the week. So guess what? What? Think they shot me with a poison dart from the CIA rifle at breast. I said mega migraine last night. Yeah. All right, y'all. Let's get to this price action, man. Let's get this price action. Let's go to 15 minutes. And let's do it. We just swept some liquidity there, right? See that long wick there? We just swept some liquidity. Keep your eye on these SIBIs here, right? If these with this long wick, if these SIBIs get inverted, right, I'll be looking for a deeper dig up here. Like I said, I'll be looking at with this long wick there, right? Watch these SIBIs there to see if they get inverted. If they get inverted, I'll be looking for a deeper dig up into there, right? Some kind of imbalance on this side, right? Deeper dig, right, up into there, and there's some kind of imbalance to trade back to in this side to go up into it. Tim, how do you see stuff in real time that like this? You see, okay, I see we did that. So now, if I want to participate, I want price to do this. Yes, I'm dog sitting long. Yes, I'm dog sitting. Now the video I sent you last night. Okay. We opened up last night at 54.46 even. 54.46 even. Y'all hold on. All right. We opened up at 54.46 even, right? Pushed up into this humongous 15-minute SIBI right here. That was we had a gap up. We had a slight gap up for those that incorporate the new week opening gap into their trading, right? That's your new week opening gap right there. Right, that's your new week opening gap right there for those that incorporate the new week opening gap into their trading ideas. Okay. Pushed up into this huge 15-minute SIBI right here. All right, that huge 15-minute SIBI right there. And that SIBI is from 3:45 on Friday. Okay. Then we pull back down, right, into this BISI that was created on the move up. I mean, on the on this initial move up, this opening move up, we created didn't even get back to the high of it. We came back into the volume imbalance or the new week opening gap. So we never even got back to the BISI. All right, never got back to the BISI. All right, came back down to the new week opening gap. Came back down to the new week opening gap right there. And then we hung out there until 7:15. And at 7:15, we displaced up, right? and got a 15-minute closure above the consequent encroachment of this 15-minute SIBI right there. And then we pulled back down into the 8 o'clock BISI that was created on this displacement up starting at 7:15. Traded back down into the 8 o'clock BISI. That was created at 8 o'clock. So pulled back down into the 8 o'clock BISI. First touched it, wicked off of it, respecting the entire BISI there. Open up again, traded down just below consequent encroachment of the BISI, and then displaced away, right? Creating 1, 2 BISIs, right? Created 2 BISIs coming out of that. All right, so we had one at 9 o'clock, and we had a volume imbalance right there between the 9:15 and 9:30 candle, and then we had a BISI right here on the 9:30 candle, right? On the 9:30 candle, and then so we and what we've been talking about with the gang, right? What we've been talking about with the gang, as you see, all of these balanced price ranges are accompanied with displacement. So you anticipate them to be strong and to hold, right? You anticipate them to be strong and to hold. This one here, we didn't get back to it, right? We came back to the imbalance, came very close to the high. Did we get to the high? And put them across hairs, right? Came very close to the high, didn't get back to it, exceedingly bullish, right? So this one here displaced away with 2 imbalances, right? As we retrace back down, right? This time we did come down into the wick of this one, right? Came down to the wick of that one and then pushed up off of it, right? So now we pulled back down, wick below the 9:30 BISI. The body closed right at the low of the 9:30 BISI. The very next candle took off and pushed us well above it. We traded back down again into this down close candle, touching the BISI one more time, right? Traded right back down into that down close candle, right? Touching the BISI one more time and then displaced away, right? We displaced away, creating a BISI here at, I'll just take this one. Right there at 12:15, right? So right here at 12:15, we took out the Asian high. Right, took out the Asian high. This is the Asian high right there. And right there at 12:15, this 12:15 candle, we took out the Asian high. Okay. Okay, took out the Asian high. All right. Got a BISI there at 12:15. Traded up again. Got a closure above, a 15-minute closure above the 15-minute SIBI that we had been dealing with throughout the night. When I say we gapped up into this 15-minute SIBI. So at 1 a.m., we got a closure above that SIBI. Okay. And then at 1:30, right? At 1:30, can somebody tell me what 1:30 is? What is 1:30? What time is 1:30 connected to in the ICT concepts, right? What time is 1:30 connected to in the ICT concepts? What does that represent? It ain't like a concrete, hard, fast, everything gonna happen at 1:30, but it's like a zone of what? What is that? Zone. That's a clue. It's a zone of what? What is that? What does 1:30 represent in the ICT concepts? Chat awful quiet. The chat awful quiet. Don't nobody know? Avery, I see you over there in the Discord. Do you know what 1:30 is? What 1:30 represents?
Is it the London or Asian kill zone?
The London kill zone. Thank you. shout out. Hey man, give it up for Avery, man. Clap it up for Avery, man. Appreciate you, man. Everybody had to went quiet on me. Okay, that start the London kill zone. Okay. What do we say that the algorithm, IPTA, market maker, however y'all want to, whatever name you want to give it, what you say you sent that 45 seconds ago? Ain't nothing in here. Ain't nothing in that chat right there. See, it say you dog sitting, and then it say that's all it is. Ain't nothing in that chat. You dog sitting, kill. Yeah, that kill didn't come through on my end. Oh, you know what? You said kill. It probably got blocked. It probably got you should have said kill zone. It probably got blocked because it's like hate speech. You know, YouTube be like, they be strict on certain words you can't say. It be, I bet it's blocked. Oh, I ain't got no thumbnail on there. I didn't put a thumbnail on this one. See, it's not, it ain't, I can't see it at all. So it used to show me when it be suppressed. It used to show me like comments that's like flagged or suppressed. But it don't, it didn't show me that one. Cause it used to show me like stuff, it'd be like a flagged or suppressed comment, and then it'd give me the option to show it. Okay, so shout out Lump. Shout out Lump for saying kill zone too. All right. And then what do we, so speaking of kill zone, right? So the kill zone is the start of what? Right? The kill zone is the start of what? The start of what? Something new, right? The kill zone is the start of something new. So what do we look for at the start of something new? The start of a new candle, the start of a new hour, the start of a new session, the start of a new day, the start of a new what do we look for at the start of a new anything? What do we look for? Manipulation. Lump all over this today. Judas, exactly. We're looking for manipulation, right? So here we are. What you say, Tish? Open. Yeah, at the open, that starts to start. At the open, we're looking for the manipulation. All right, we're looking for the manipulation. And in this case, price has been bullish. We've gotten a 15-minute closure above a 15-minute SIBI, right? So now we got an inversion fair value gap at this closure right here. So now, if the bullishness is going to continue, we're looking for the manipulation. And where do we see the manipulation? Right here. We come down below that low right there, right? Down below that low right there. Okay. Trading back into the order block right there. And you say, Tim, we traded down to the order block there. No, we didn't. Right? We traded back down. Yes, we did, coming to that order block. But guess what? It wasn't confirmed an order block until over here when we created that BISI. This candle right here is what confirmed that candle right there well, these candles right here as being a bullish order block. Right? This right here is the first touch based off of lower time frame price action. Right? As soon as we trade above this opening price, right, with that heavy move up, that right there gives you a clue that that right there is going to be an order block, because we've been bullish, right? We got a counter that trades down below this low right here, and then we immediately engulf it. So we got us a change in the state of delivery right there at that open, right there, right? The lower time frames trade back down into that change in the state of delivery and then displace away. That displacement gives you your order block, right? This retracement here at the open of the kill zone is the manipulation, taking out the sell side, trading down to the order block, right? Came up, got the inversion fair value gap right there, right? So here we go all over again at the kill zone now. We're in the kill zone now, right? Trade down below this low right here, engulf that candle there, changing the state of delivery right there, inversion fair value gap on this 3 a.m. candle, right? That 3 a.m. candle right there is what? What's the 3 a.m. candle? Somebody tell me what the 3 a.m. candle represents. Right? So while y'all tell me what the 3 a.m. candle represents, let's go back through it. The open of the kill zone manipulates down, takes out sell side, right? Engulfs that candle, right? Giving you, right, a change in the state of delivery here. Okay. Right. And we're respecting that area. And then what's the 3 o'clock candle represent? Man, ain't nobody said that yet. London open. There you go, Thomas. London open. So at the London open, right? We got the London open here, right? We push up there. Order block. The 3 a.m. candle is the London open. Okay, so what's the London open? The London open is the start of something new, right? So at the London open, what happens? Price manipulates down, right? It manipulates down. What does it come down to? Here. Boom. Right? Back down to where? That same area where we had the change in state of delivery. Right? It manipulates down. Once it manipulates down, it displaces away. Right? It displaces away. Tim, how do you see stuff in real time? This is how. There's no magic wand. There's no magic trick to seeing stuff in real time. It's just understanding the concepts and you doing if-then statements. If price does this, then I'm looking for that. If it does that, then I'm entering like this. If price does this, then I'm looking for that. If it does that, then I'm exiting like this. If price does this, then I'm looking for that. If it does that, then I'm entering. That's it. That's it. And Bob's your uncle. And the rest of the overnight price is up, 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 up. Oh yeah, I get that. That's why I be trying to ask, like, say, what does this mean? That's why I say, what does the 3 o'clock candle represent? Like, what? Because I was like, what's 130? What does 130 represent? What does 3 o'clock candle represent? That's what that's what we was talking about. All right, man. That's it. That's all I got. We did a little teaching today. We didn't do the full overnight price action. Okay. We're looking like we may invert this one here. We still got close to 10 minutes left on that candle right there. Watching to see if both of those get inverted. Right, watching to see if both of these get inverted. If, like I said, if both of those get inverted, I'll be looking for opportunity to dig deeper up into that BISI there. I mean that SIBI up there. Still got 10 minutes left on this candle. We've closed above consequent encroachment of this one. Right, closed above consequent encroachment on that one. Still got 10 minutes left on this candle. See if we get an inversion on both with that candle. We've just traded above midnight. So with trading above midnight, that's a good opportunity for a short when you're in the premium. Right. So be careful right now. Right. Price has been bullish. Right. So whatever price is doing, you stick with that until it's invalidated. But be careful right now because you're above midnight. Right, you're above midnight right now, and you're in an extreme premium. Right, you're in an extreme premium. You're above midnight, and you're in extreme premium. So let price really show you that it wants to continue up before trying to go long. Right. Don't gamble with we're going to keep going up. Let price show you that it wants to keep going up. Because the worst thing you can do is just jump in on a gamble and it works. And that's going to create a bad habit of you just thinking, oh, it worked last time. Let price show you that it still wants to do that because we're in a good place for a short because you're above midnight. You're in extreme premium, right? Price has gone from here all the way up to there. We're in the premium of this entire range, right? And we're hovering above midnight. Matter of fact, we just rejected off midnight. All right. So be careful. Don't just jump in and try to short it. Let price show you what it wants to do. Let price show you what it wants to do. All right. I'm going to go ahead and call it. I'm going to go ahead and check on this old silly dog. And then might try to get me something to eat and come back and see if price doing what I wanted to do, man. Again, I like to thank y'all for hanging out with me, tapping into another episode of the overnight price action. Remember, if you're going to trade, please trade safe. If you're not going to trade, please take a copious amounts of notes so you can go back and study what you saw today and apply it to your future trading endeavors. Till the next time I decide to get on Algo's internet and share my thoughts on this thing they call price action, man. It's your boy, Timothy Lee Rogers Sr., a.k.a. Aranya Grande. That's Big Spot if you don't upload S, man. Yo, y'all be safe out here in these trade streets, man. Gone.